Hello, good evening everybody. This is Monica Joshi, IT Head, Satpal Mittal School, Ludhiana. So today I am going to explain you the project about the Google Forms, in which I have to explain you about taking a multiple choice questionnaire where I'll be taking the name and email ID and applying the background image, setting up the answer key also of the questions and making 2 points of each answer. So let's begin without wasting any time. So to create a Google form, we have to click on New, More, and then Google Forms. This is the by default form which gets opened. So the name of the default form is in Untitled form. To change the name of the form, we can change the name from here, like suppose My Form. And this is the title of the form. When you change the name of the form, the title of the form also gets same. But whereas you can change it. Suppose like I want it R of code. So I made it like this. Then the description of the form is all about what. So suppose like I have created a quiz. I can make it's a quiz, or suppose like I have written here summative assessment 1. Then we can keep on adding the questions. The questions can be added by clicking on the add button. This is if you want to add title and description for each question. If you want to add an image, video, and if you want to add the questions into sections, like each question will be added into different sections like this. The different types of fields for the questions are multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkbox, drop down, file upload. You want the user to upload the files, linear square, multiple choice, checkbox, date and time. Those can be taken as per the choice. And if you want, you can set it. So let's see. Firstly, I have changed this background of the form by clicking on the color palette and going into the image, and I have selected the type by default type of image available here. At the end it was available, so I just selected it and clicked on OK from here. Or you can select the picture from your albums or from your photo uploads as well. Alright, so these are the various types of images which you can select. So the name of my form is R of code. I have taken the field, set its type to short answer and set up a validation that's required. The user should enter the name. Next is I have taken email ID. In email ID, I have put another data validation by clicking on response validation and set its type to text, and here I have selected as email address. Nextly, the first question is, I'll just take you to the preview, how these forms look like. So the first question is, what is the extension of the Scratch project? So the answer, we have to select the answer here. Okay, let's attempt. Suppose like the name of the user, the ID. Alright, this is the validation is showing up. So I have to enter here the proper email ID. The extension is okay. The user has selected all these answers. Here you can see that I have inserted the images for this multiple choice question. So that can be done by clicking on image and inserting an image by uploading it from the computer like this. You can insert it from the web, you can take a snapshot from your album, from your Google Drive, wherever. Alright, so the answer of this question is, shortcut to replace is Control H. What enables us to send the letter, that is mail much, and then submit. Okay, so this is the message which I have put in by clicking on going into the settings, presentation, and here I have left a message, thank you, will get response soon. Alright, now how to set the answer key. I've already created the answer key, so I'll just be telling you. You need to have Flubaru for that. It's an add-ins which you can install. If it is not, you can just click on add-ins, write Flubaru, it will be installed. After the Flubaru is installed, it will ask you to grade the assignment. So I'll just delete the assignment and I'll tell you how I have graded it. So responses, click on responses and select response, create a new spreadsheet and then create. Alright, the sheet is created. We'll go back. So this is my sheet. I have to go on Flubaru, enable Flubaru, it's working. Once Flubaru is enabled, click on grade assignment. So I can mark the first two questions, that is name and email ID, as I identify the student, and rest of the questions as normal grading. And here I can mark them 2. That is, I want to put 2 marks for each question. Continue. And then I have attempted this quiz 3 times. And there is one time I can attempt the correct answers. Suppose like the first one, by the name Monica Joshi. These are the answers which I have marked correct. So it will be taken as the answer key. And click on continue. So my assignment will be graded and it will be added on a new sheet, and the grading is completed. You will get a message. So my grades are created. You can see that first child is also getting, Disha is also getting 6 marks and Name is also getting 6 marks. So this is the way we can create the answer key, and I hope the form is clear to you, how to create the Google form and how to create the automatic answer sheets as well. It's clear to you. Thank you.